Meaning of disable.
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 Disable. The term disable refers to the action of making something or someone unable to function or operate as intended. This can be done intentionally or unintentionally, and may involve the use of physical, technological, or administrative measures. A disablement may have a wide range of effects depending on the context and the degree of severity. In general, it will result in a loss of functionality or ability to perform certain tasks, which may have negative consequences for the affected party.